Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between, welcome to the Cool Ideas channel. It's great to see you all here tonight, or this morning, or whenever you're watching this because, let's face it, the internet doesn't sleep, and neither do I when there are cool ideas to explore. You know, they say technology is advancing at the speed of light. Speaking of light, have you heard about the Afreda S6? It's not a new superhero. It's an electric scooter that sounds more advanced than some of our smartphones. The Afreda S6, the high-tech scooter that's so advanced it's probably texting its scooter friends about how amazing it is. I mean, it's got more specs than a rocket ship. It's got a 5V motor, a 48 volts 15. 6-up battery, and it can go up to 45 kilometers per hour, which means you can finally outrun your neighbor's annoying yappy dog. But let's be real. We all know the best part is that it's got a riding range of 50 to 60 kilometers. Now, I know what you're thinking, but, Mr. Comedian, what if I'm a heavyweight champion? Well, fear not, my friends. The Afreda S6 can carry a whopping 180 kilograms. You could practically carry your entire family on this thing. And let's not forget about the balanced hydraulic disc brake HDB, traditional brakes. Those are so last century. The Afreda's got a patented technology that applies a balance force to the rotors, making sure you stop safely, even if you're making a sharp turn. It's like having a personal stuntman built into your scooter. But here's the kicker, it's got dual batteries. That's right, folks, TWO batteries. No more worrying about your ride dying on you mid-commute. You can go up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, and if one battery decides it's had enough, you've got a backup ready to go. It's like having a plan B for your ride, and trust me, we could all use a plan B in life. Now, let's talk about the Afreda S6's folding ability. I mean, this thing folds up faster than a magician can make a rabbit disappear. You lift the seat cushion, and bam, it's like watching a transformer in action. And the best part, it has a tail wheel to keep it balanced when folded. You can take it anywhere, and it won't hog all the space. Trunk of a sedan, elevator, subway, this scooter goes wherever you go, and it's practically a travel companion at this point. Now, the Afreda S6 isn't just for the speed demons out there. It's got two working modes, free riding mode and self-balancing mode. Free riding is for the daredevils who want to unlock the suspension and go off-roading. And then, there's self-balancing mode. Perfect for beginners, the elderly, and kids. It keeps you stable and balanced. Just like that wise old guru who's always telling you to find your inner zen. But wait, there's more. The Afreda S6 comes with excellent service and a 12-month warranty. They even give you a wrench and screw, pump, adapter, rear rack, lock, and charger. It's like a DIY dream come true. And if you have any problems, they promise to reply within 24 hours. Customer service that responds quickly. It's almost as rare as a unicorn. So, my friends, if you're tired of your old school scooter and want to embrace the future, check out the Afreda S6, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cool ideas right here on the Cool Ideas channel, because life's too short to ride boring scooters or miss out on hilarious comedy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.